For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paperclip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. So the paperclip is short, so we're going to try to make this as small as possible. I'm using my tweezer nose pliers, and I'm just going to take the end and bend it back. I'm going to take my very small round pliers, put them in the end, and bring it around. Put your round pliers in again and bend it down. So now we're going to hold it with these pliers again, bend it straight up and in. Get the round nose pliers, bring it around, and push this straight up. You can go with your pliers again and just pinch it in a little bit, and then take this down and up. So now at the top, we're just going to take the round nose pliers again, bring it around, and up. If you need to go in, flatten it out a little bit, you can. Take the tweezer nose pliers again and bring it down. Bring this one in, get the round nose pliers again, hold this in here, and bring it out. So now we have the initial shape of the puzzle piece. Pinch it flat, and then this part is going to form the band. So get a round form, ring cone, or a marker. Bring this one all the way around. This end's going to need to be rounded out a little bit. Take your round pliers and just slowly, just gently curve it out. And then we're going to take this and just wiggle it a bit. You could take the pliers again and curve it out a little bit. And there you have your super cute and easy puzzle ring.